In today's video, we are going to show you how to receive payments on Payoneer without business. Yes, you can receive payments on Payoneer without a registered business by using a personal freelancer style account and Payoneer's receiving options. But of course, all I have to do to make that happen is go to the official website, which is www.payoneer.com. Now, I want you to create an account first, if you haven't already, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've done that, you can use your Payoneer's local receiving accounts to share bank-like account details with clients or marketplaces so they can send you money as a bank transfer. Basically, you can use payment requests for clients and click the next button, click the continue. You can use the payment request for clients or companies that can pay by card or bank transfers, and Payoneer will email them the request. All I have to do is provide the information, and after the funds arrive, withdraw them to your local bank account or use your Payoneer card if available. All I have to do now, of course, is to make sure that you have a fully verified account to make that happen. But please take note that you cannot generally use Payoneer as a payment request to collect from ordinary consumers or individuals in a retail or personal sales settings, because Payoneer is positioned for getting paid by clients, marketplaces, and business rather than serving a general peer-to-peer payment application. And basically, that's it for today's video. Remember, you can absolutely receive payments on Payoneer as an individual, no business required. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.